Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Today we are doing my VIB haul for the event that's going on right now. 20% off for VIB Rouge, 15% off for VIB, and I believe 10% off for Beauty Insider. So this event happens twice a year. It's super exciting, and I always try to take advantage and stock up on as many products as I can. This isn't even all that I'm going to be hauling because I have more orders that I've placed. Anyways, before we get started, if you're new, hello, welcome. I would love for you to stick around and hit the subscribe button down below so you're notified for future videos from me. So I do post 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And also, don't forget the bell notification so you're notified as soon as a new haul goes live. But I'm excited to jump into these products, so let's get started. Okay, so today we have some orders online and a couple in-store purchases. I have a few little bags here to show you guys. One thing I'll say is I absolutely love going in store because I love my local Sephora girls. However, I also love shopping online to get a bigger discount. Now, the reason I love shopping online for my purchases is very simple. I love using TopCashBack. They are sponsoring today's video, and you guys, do not sleep on this website because it is such a really awesome way to get money back in your bank account or save more. I kind of like to look at it both ways. It gives me a reason to spend more because I'm getting more money back. But TopCashBack is a website. It's very easy to use. You log on. You basically sign up with your email, they send you a confirmation code, and you are good to go. You can search all the different retailers that they offer cash back on, and Sephora happens to be one of them. So you click on Sephora and it takes you directly to the Sephora website, and you're good to go. When you check out and make your purchase, it will automatically put the money in your TopCashBack account. The reason that I like this website more than other websites that I've used in the past is just because they always offer a better discount. It's normally more percentage back. Also, it doesn't take as long to get the money back. As soon as the funds are available to you, you'll be able to see that in your account and you can automatically cash them out. You don't have to have like a certain amount or wait on a check, anything like that. So it's super duper easy. And again, one of my favorite ways to shop. I'll leave a link down below in the description bar for you guys if you would like to sign up. But if you're still shopping the Sephora event, make sure you use TopCashBack. That way you can get a bigger discount. But let's go ahead and dive into the makeup product. Okay, so the very first thing that I got is from a new brand. This is the Patrick TA, and this is the fan. So this brand just came out recently with Patrick. I don't know how you pronounce his last name, but I believe he's a makeup artist, and he came out with like a glow line. There's like some body shimmers, I think some like lip toppers, things like that. But the thing that intrigued me the most was this fan, and it sold out on his website, so I ordered it off of Sephora. And it's not anything like crazy special. It's just one of these like fans that you can fan yourself with. And I think this would be really good for when you put makeup setting spray all over your face. So it is a rose gold. Oh, it's beautiful. And it's really high quality. The only thing I'll say about it is it's kind of like rubbed off right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know. I can't get close enough. But isn't this beautiful? I think it was like 20 some dollars. Oh yeah, it creates a nice wind. I need to be careful. I don't want to blow my eyelashes off. But yeah, so I did get this fan. And also, you guys, all of the products that I showed today, they will be listed down below if you want to check any of them out. But I'm excited to use this little fan on the daily when I set my face. The next thing I picked up, oh, I've been so excited about this. This is the Cheekleader Bronze Squad by Benefit. And this actually has a few new shades in it. Okay, so the first thing I love about this is I feel like it's a lot thinner than the old one that they came out with. I just feel like that one was a lot more bulky, and maybe I could be crazy. But this is the new one, and it is a cheek palette, and you get 5 different beautiful shades. And I don't know what this is. All this is just like a little instruction thing. So let's take the top off of this. You can see it up close. It is so pretty. Okay, so here's what it looks like. You have a blush, a highlight. I think you have 2 blushes, 2 bronzers, and a highlight. And you know me, I want to swatch this. Hauls for me are all about swatching. Okay, so the first shade is Gold Rush, and it has like this really cool just detailing in the blush. So it looks like this. It's like a really pretty nudie shade. And then you have the shade Cookie, and I'm pretty sure this is the shade Jaclyn Hill talked about in one of her videos that she loved. And then Hula Caramel, which this is their new, I hope I did not get that separately because I almost got that yesterday. This is the Hula Bronzer. It's like their newest shade. This is a lot darker than the normal Hula, so I'm very excited about it. That highlight though, oh my goodness. And then the blush is beautiful. Oh, These are so stunning. This makes me want to get the smaller size too, just to like throw in my purse and take with me places. Okay, so there's that. And then we'll swatch the normal Hoola and then Corlista, I believe is how you pronounce it, the other blush shade. So there are those two. I'm going to swatch them right there on the side. Now, tell me if I'm crazy. Let me know. So Hoola, they came out with a bigger size of the Hoola. I feel like packaging sometimes can really like stray me from using products, and like the little Hoola is just in this little box, and like I don't know, it's just a smaller size, and I feel like sometimes that keeps me from using it all the time. But they have a like jumbo size, and it's like a normal size bronzer, so I almost had it and was gonna check it out, but then I was like, do I really need this? So I thought I would ask y'all, and if you say yes, I probably am gonna do it. But yeah, here's that palette. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. I believe the retail on this is 60 bucks. So with the discount, you get, I think $12 off. Yeah, really pretty. And you get a little brush, which is nice. I really need to get, I used to have the NARS Eda brush, and I loved that brush for contour, and I have no idea where it's at. Like, it's literally lost, and I have no idea. Okay, so there's that. I don't want to wipe this off my hand, but I'm going to have to. Beautiful. Okay, so the next product I got is actually from Benefit as well. This is the smaller version, and this is of the other palette. So this one has California, Tickle, and Dandelion, which is like the two blush shades and a highlight. But I thought it looked really, really pretty, especially that Tickle shade. I don't believe I have that. I'm thinking it's probably exclusive to this palette, so that's why I wanted to get it to try it out. Yes, Benefit. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that's my shade. You know the shade, the pink shade with the gold reflex in it. The shade that I always say is my shade when I swatch things that look like it. There's that. And, ooh, it's so pretty. That highlight. Benefit needs to start making more highlights. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. So there are those. Really pretty for like the spring and summertime shades, I feel like. Really beautiful. Whew, I love it. And I wanted to get more foundations, but it's almost like I had a mind blank and could not remember the new foundations that came out recently. I know there's like a new Dior one, and I'm just like in between shades because I'm about to be tan, and I was trying to have the girl match me up to like my tan shade, but we were kind of guessing because, I mean, I'm not tan, so she couldn't really match that. Also, I did get the birthday gift. It's a long story, but my birthday's not on my account. Someone else's is because my accounts got hacked several times, so it's like not even in my name or anything. This is the birthday point perk or whatever. So you get the Protini and the Jelly Cleanser, which I thought was awesome from Drunk Elephant. And these are really good travel sizes too. You get 1 fluid ounce, okay, of the Jelly Cleanser and 0.5 fluid ounce of the Peptide Protini cream. Very exciting. Okay, the next thing I picked up is from Kat Von D. I feel like I never really hear people talk about her products anymore, but I did swatch this in store a couple weeks back, and it looked super duper full coverage. And I really want something in the summertime where I can just put like a really nice primer on and a powder foundation, and I don't have to go in with as much makeup. And I thought this would be it for me. This is what the packaging looks like. And I'm in the shade Tan 175. And here it is. It has some kind of like shaking sound, like there's something stuck in it. But wait till y'all see how full coverage this is. So here it is on the finger. Ooh, kind of like threw it everywhere. I don't know if y'all can see that. I mean, you can definitely see where it's covering up my veins and stuff. But yeah, I think it will be really full coverage and a really good powder foundation to wear. And I'm going to put this little thing in here too. I don't know why they don't just put that in there to begin with. And what is this noise? I have no idea. Okay, next, let me just like grab some more products. I don't have to keep going in this little thing. Next thing that I got is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup Foundation. I love this. This has been like a go-to for me for years and years and years. I got the shade 4W1 Honey Bronze. It's just such a staple for me. I go back and forth between that one and then the NARS Long Wear Radiant Foundation. I love that one as well. And then I picked up the Anastasia Mini Dip Brow Gel. This is like a little duo, and I figured why not? So it's $25, which I think is around the same price as the Anastasia Brow Pencil, and I got my shade Taupe, but I really wanted to try out the new brow gel that she has. I don't know if Taupe's going to be like too ashy. Like, I feel like sometimes Taupe can look a little bit gray on my eyebrows, but like in a gel form. I feel like on the pencil it's completely fine, but I didn't want to commit to the actual brow gel, so I thought I would get this, try it out, and maybe, I think the sale ends on like the 6th. If I really like it, I'll order a full size of the brow gel. And you guys, I saw this video on Instagram of this girl who used only the brow gel, and her brows were like super duper thin, very sparse, and she like blew me away with how amazing it looked. I mean, it just looked awesome. She basically put it on a brush and made like tiny hair strokes with the brow gel. And I mean, her brows were goals, but like literally she started with like this much brow. So I bought a lot of face products. If you guys can't tell, I have some more orders coming, and so I'll show those. I also will be doing a mail haul Monday with a ton of new releases, so stay tuned for that, because again, I'll be going up on the 6th, which is the last day for the sale. And I mean, there's like a lot, like Natasha Denona, Drunk Elephant, Milk Makeup, just a lot of new releases. Fenty Beauty, I did pick up one of the bronzers, and I got the shade Island Ting. I broke my nail. So the packaging's beautiful. It's like a really pretty, is it gold or rose gold? Looks more gold to me. But sometimes the packaging, I can't get it open with my dang nails. So here's what it looks like. And this shade just looked really pretty. I don't like anything too orangey. Oh shoot, I need to take that powder foundation off. I just like did a very thin amount. I don't know why it's like not going on my hand very well. I mean, hopefully it's gonna look good on my face. I don't know why it's like not swatching. Let me wipe my finger off. Maybe I like have something on that finger. Maybe it's not going over well because I did put that powder foundation on, but I just wiped it off. Okay, 3rd time's a charm, hopefully. We'll see. It looks like a really good color, so I'll have to try it out. I feel like I've been interested in more Fenty products than I normally am. So I picked this up, and then I also picked up the Filtr Instant Retouch Setting Powder. So I picked this up in the shade Butter. Now, I had saw people rave about the banana shade, and they were like, oh, it's really great for brightening. It's great to like, it's great for medium skin tones, and I'm normally a medium skin tone. I don't get like super duper duper pale, but the banana is just like so dark. It looks lighter, and it almost like oxidizes on your face. So I wanted to get this to have like a really nice bright under eye. I also picked up the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner. Oh my gosh, I totally recommend this. This is like my other one. It's like almost completely out. This is typically how I spot clean my brushes. So I don't like wash my brushes with like soap and water all that often. I probably should do it a little bit more than I do. But what I do is I take this, I put a little bit in the cap, wring my brush around in it, and then wipe it off on a paper towel, and it gets all of the nastiness off. It cleans them really good. It's not a full bath, but it does the job, and I absolutely love that stuff. Would recommend it to anybody that can get a little bit lazy with their brush cleaning and you just need to clean them every so often, really fast. That's a really good trick to use that stuff. Okay, next thing I got is the new Olehenriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. So this was the one that I thought would be great to combine with the Kat Von D powder. It's supposed to give you like a really bright face, and I don't know if it has any shimmer in it. Oh, it looks like it could, not shimmer, but it looks like it could have like a little bit of a sheen to it. Oh yeah, this is nice. It almost feels like, it smells good. It doesn't smell like bananas, but I don't know. It has a really nice little sheen to it. I think this would be good because especially if you're going to use a powder foundation, you don't want anything that's like super duper matte. At least I don't, because I want my skin to look really healthy. Kind of like, not like I'm not wearing makeup. Like I definitely don't want to look like I have no makeup on, but I want my skin to look like healthy and not cakey. So I definitely think a hydrating primer is the way to go. And then the next primer I picked up is from CoverFX. This is the Blurring and Pore Minimizing Primer. Now, they just came out with a ton of different primers. I really wanted to get the gripping one, but it was sold out, so didn't get it. Let's see here. Okay, it's almost like a really tan shade. Here's what it looks like. Yeah, it really reminds me of like the Benefit Porefessional. I love the Benefit Porefessional one, so I will see how that works. To me, it looks like it's the exact same kind of like formula. Speaking of the Benefit Porefessional, I did pick up my friend 2 of the big sizes of the Porefessional. Again, a really great primer that I would totally recommend. And also grabbed her the Dermalogica C Serum. This is their brightening vitamin C serum. You guys, Dermalogica is officially sold at Sephora. So if you like their products, definitely check them out in Sephora because you get the discount. And they have really good products. I feel like their products are more like, I don't know, like high-end, like not like I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I feel like their products are just more like medical grade or something. Like I went and got a facial a couple years ago and they use like all Dermalogica products. So if you are wanting to maybe branch out of your skincare, try something besides Drunk Elephant. If you're like me, I kind of stay in the Drunk Elephant zone, but Dermalogica has really great skincare products as well. Okay, guys, that is going to complete this Sephora haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you are picking up. What do you have your eye on? Make sure you use TopCashBack so you can get some more money or, you know, a bigger discount. And as always, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Tune in Monday for the biggest What's New in Makeup mail haul. I'm super excited about it. And I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!